Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? Well, I hope that all of you are in a good condition. So, before we start our lesson today, it's better for us to pray first. Pray, begin. Finish. Okay, my students, I have a question for you. Please answer me, okay? Do you like animals? Or do you have pet in your house? Yes, I'm sure. Miss yakin beberapa dari kalian memiliki hewan peliharaan di rumah, seperti seekor kucing, atau seekor anjing, atau seekor kelinci, dan lain-lain. So, in today's meeting, we are going to learn about animals. So now, we have to study about the names of animals, nama-nama hewan. So, please see the picture here. The first picture. Gambar apakah ini? Yes, you are right. It is a picture of a horse. Okay. The second picture. Okay, my students, what picture is it? That's right. It is a picture of a bee. Mungkin di rumah kalian sering ada bee, ya kan? And then the third picture. What picture is it? That's correct. It is a picture of a fish. Mungkin beberapa dari kalian ada yang memelihara ikan di rumah. Yes, so we are going to the next picture. Okay, my students, do you know it? What picture is it? Excellent. It is a picture of a turtle. Apakah dari kalian ada yang mempunyai seekor kura-kura? And then, this is the next picture. It is a picture of a crocodile. So, we can see crocodile in the zoo. Then, this is the next picture. Can you guess it, my students? What picture is it? That's correct. Ini adalah gambar sebuah buffalo, atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita menyebutnya sebagai kerbau. Okay, and then this is the next picture. Adakah yang pernah melihat hewan ini? Mungkin beberapa dari kalian ada yang pernah melihat hewan ini di kebun binatang. Okay, so this is a camel, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya adalah unta. Okay. So, we are moving to the next picture. Mungkin kalian familiar dengan hewan ini, karena hewan ini sering kita temui di sekitar rumah kita. Okay, so what picture is it, my students? That's right. It is a picture of a goose. Goose, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya, kita menyebut sebagai angsa. And then, this is the next picture. So please guess it, my students. We can see this picture in the zoo. So, what picture is it? Nice. It is a picture of a deer. Rusa. Then, this is a picture of a frog. Ya, kita sering melihat hewan ini di sekitar rumah kita, karena hewan ini merupakan hewan jinak. Jadi, hewan ini bisa hidup berdampingan dengan manusia. So, this is a frog. Frog. So, how about this picture, my students? Do you know it? Hewan yang memiliki leher yang panjang. Hewan apakah itu? Excellent. This is a picture of a giraffe. Oke, kalian pasti pernah melihat ini ketika kalian pergi ke kebun binatang. Oke, so this is a giraffe. Then, how about this picture, my students? Can you guess it? What picture is it? That's right, it is a picture of an octopus. Okay? And then this is the next picture. Please think it, my students. What picture is it? Good. It is a picture of a monkey. Ya, kita bisa melihat hewan ini di kebun binatang. And then, this is the last picture. Wow, this picture is so interesting, right? So, the shape of this animal is like a star. So, can you guess it, my students? What is the name of this animal? Excellent. It is a starfish. So, we can see starfish when we go to the sea. Okay? So, setelah kita mempelajari nama-nama hewan, to give you more understanding about the names of animals, we have to read it from the beginning until the end. Okay? Please repeat after me. Horse, bee, fish, panda, turtle, crocodile, buffalo, camel, goose, deer, eagle, frog, giraffe, octopus, monkey, and the last is starfish. Now we will study about kinds of animals. So, animals is divided into two kinds. Hewan itu dibagi menjadi dua jenis, tame animals and wild animals. So, tame animals adalah hewan jinak, hewan yang bisa kita temui di sekitar kita. Karena hewan jinak adalah hewan yang bisa hidup berdampingan dengan manusia. So, please see the picture here. Okay, my students, this is the first picture. Do you know what picture is it? Yes, it is a picture of a cat. Then the next picture, gambar apakah ini? Yes, ini adalah gambar chicken, ayam. And then, this is the third picture. What picture is it, my students? That's right. It is a picture of a cow. Then, how about this picture, my students? What picture is it? That's correct. It is a picture of a pigeon. Then how about this? What picture is it? That's good. Ini adalah gambar duck. Duck. Bebek. Then, this is the next picture. This animal is so cute, right? Do you know what is the name of this animal? Yes, it is a rabbit. Rabbit. Then, how about this picture? Do you know, my students, what picture is it? That's correct. It is a picture of a dog. And then, this is the last picture. Can you guess it? What picture is it, my students? That's good. It is a picture of a hamster. Maybe some of you have this animal as your pet. Now, we are going to learn about the second kind of animals. So it is wild animals. Wild animals in Indonesia is binatang liar atau binatang buas. Jadi, kita tidak bisa bertemu dengan wild animals around our house, okay? But we can see them in the zoo. So please, my students, take a look at the picture here. Okay, this is the first picture. Can you guess it, my students? What picture is it? Yes, it is a picture of a hyena. And then, the second picture. Gambar apakah ini? Excellent! It is a picture of a cheetah. And then, how about this picture, my students? Do you know it? What picture is it? Good! It is a picture of a fox. Then, how about this picture, my students? Okay, that's good. It is a picture of a scorpion. It is wild animal. Jadi, kita harus berhati-hati ketika bertemu dengan hewan ini. Okay, and then, how about this picture, my students? Maybe some of you have met this animal in the zoo, right? So, what picture is it, my students? Excellent! This is a picture of a lion. And this is the next picture, my students. What picture is it? That's correct. It is a picture of a bear. And this is the next picture, my students. What picture is it? Yes, it is a picture of a shark. Then, this is the last picture. Can you guess it? What picture is it? That's good. It is a picture of an elephant. Then, we have to study how to describe animals. Kita bisa mendeskripsikan hewan dengan cara menghitung jumlah kakinya, matanya, telinga, dan lain sebagainya. So please pay attention to the picture here.
Kupu-kupu adalah hewan jinak, dan kita sering menemukan kupu-kupu di sekitar lingkungan kita.
It is a butterfly. It is a tame animal. It has 2 wings. It has 2 antennae.
Kambing adalah hewan jinak, dan kita bisa menemukan kambing di sekitar lingkungan kita karena kambing merupakan hewan yang bisa hidup berdampingan dengan manusia. Dan sekarang kita bisa menghitung bagian-bagian dari tubuh kambing. Contohnya, jumlah dari kakinya, matanya, telinganya, tanduknya, mulut, hidung, dan juga ekornya.
It is a goat. It is a tame animal. It has 4 legs. It has 2 eyes, ears, and horns. It has 1 mouth, nose, and tail.
Ini adalah gambar burung. Burung itu juga termasuk hewan jinak. Dan sekarang mari kita hitung jumlah mata, kaki, sayap, dan juga paruhnya. Dan burung itu juga mempunyai bulu di tubuhnya.
It is a bird. It is a tame animal. It has 2 eyes and legs. It has 2 wings. It has feathers. It has 1 beak.
Nah, sekarang ini adalah gambar jerapah. Jerapah memiliki karakteristik yang berbeda dibandingkan dengan hewan lainnya, karena jerapah memiliki leher yang panjang. Nah, sekarang kita bisa menghitung jumlah dari ekornya, mulutnya, kakinya, mata, dan juga telinganya. Jerapah ini termasuk hewan liar, dan kita bisa menemukannya ketika kita berkunjung ke sebuah kebun binatang.
It is a giraffe. It is a wild animal. It has 1 tail and mouth. It has 4 legs. And it has 2 eyes and ears. So, I think this is the end of our meeting today, my students. We have learned about names of animals and the kinds of animals. Thank you for your attention, my students. Please stay at home, stay healthy, and stay happy. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.